Cryptocurrency has evolved from a niche digital concept to a trillion-dollar ecosystem that's transforming the global financial landscape. What began with Bitcoin in 2009 has now become a worldwide movement empowering millions to invest, trade, and earn in ways that were once unimaginable. But here's the real question. How can you, as a beginner or investor, make money with cryptocurrency in a smart, sustainable, and profitable way? To answer that, we'll explore every method from crypto trading and staking to yield farming, NFT investing, and DeFi lending so you can truly understand how to grow your wealth in the digital economy. Let's start with the foundation: understanding crypto investing. Investing in cryptocurrency is not just about buying coins and waiting for prices to rise. It's about understanding the market cycles, the utility behind each token, and how technology drives value appreciation. Bitcoin, for instance, is considered digital gold. Its scarcity, only 21 million coins, makes it a store of value, protecting against inflation. Ethereum, on the other hand, offers a smart contract ecosystem that powers thousands of decentralized applications. Knowing this difference helps you identify which assets align with your goals: long-term investment or short-term gains. Now, one of the most popular ways to make money in crypto is trading. Crypto trading involves buying and selling assets on cryptocurrency exchanges to profit from price fluctuations. Traders often rely on technical analysis, market indicators, and price action strategies to make informed decisions. Day traders capitalize on short-term volatility, while swing traders hold positions for days or weeks. But remember, crypto markets are open 24/7, which means the potential for profit is constant, but so is the risk. Another profitable strategy is long-term investing, commonly known as hodling. This approach involves buying a strong cryptocurrency and holding it through market ups and downs, believing in its long-term potential. Bitcoin and Ethereum are popular choices for this strategy due to their established track records. Historically, long-term holders have seen exponential gains as adoption grows globally. Next is staking, a method where you earn passive income by locking your crypto in a network to support its operations. Staking applies to proof-of-stake blockchains like Ethereum 2.0, Cardano, or Solana. By staking, you're essentially helping secure the network, and in return, you earn rewards in the form of more crypto. It's similar to earning interest from a savings account, but in the blockchain world, your earnings can be significantly higher. Then, we have yield farming, one of the most exciting opportunities in decentralized finance DeFi. Yield farming allows investors to lend or provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, Curve, or Aave in exchange for interest or tokens. The concept may sound complex, but in essence, you're allowing your crypto to work for you. The key here is to research carefully, as DeFi can be highly volatile and requires understanding of liquidity pools, tokenomics, and smart contracts. Another major income stream is crypto mining. Although less common now for individual investors due to high energy costs, mining is still an important part of the ecosystem. It involves using computing power to validate blockchain transactions. In return, miners are rewarded with newly created coins. Mining is most profitable in regions with low electricity costs or when joining a mining pool. You can also earn from airdrops and crypto rewards programs. Many blockchain startups distribute free tokens to early supporters or users who perform specific tasks, such as joining a community, testing apps, or holding certain tokens. These airdrops can sometimes be surprisingly valuable once the project gains traction. Another increasingly popular way to make money is through NFTs, non-fungible tokens. NFTs represent ownership of digital assets like art, music, or virtual land. Many creators have made fortunes selling unique digital art pieces on platforms like OpenSea or Magic Eden. However, investing in NFTs requires a deep understanding of the community and demand dynamics behind each collection. Then comes affiliate marketing in crypto. Many exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken offer referral programs that reward you for inviting new users. You can earn commissions or bonuses every time your referral makes a trade or deposit. For content creators or influencers, this is a reliable and scalable income stream. Crypto lending is another strong pillar of earning passive income. With platforms like Aave, Compound, or BlockFi, users can lend their crypto assets to borrowers and earn interest. It's a way to generate consistent returns without selling your holdings. Always ensure the platform you use is reputable and secure, as lending involves risk. Another method that's gaining momentum is arbitrage trading. It's the practice of taking advantage of price differences for the same asset across different exchanges. For example, if Bitcoin is trading at $65,000 on Binance and $65,500 on Coinbase, a trader can buy low on one platform and sell high on another, profiting from the gap. Although the margins are small, large volume traders can earn significant returns this way. You can also participate in crypto launchpads or initial coin offerings ICOs. These platforms allow early investors to buy tokens of new projects before they launch publicly. If the project succeeds, your early investment can multiply rapidly. However, this strategy carries high risk, as many ICOs can fail or turn out to be scams, so due diligence is crucial. Play-to-earn games have also opened a fun and innovative way to make money in crypto. Games like Axie Infinity, Decentraland, and The Sandbox allow players to earn tokens or NFTs while playing. These digital assets can then be sold or traded for real-world currency, turning entertainment into income. Beyond gaming, Metaverse investments are emerging as a massive opportunity. Virtual real estate and Metaverse tokens like Decentraland's Mana or The Sandbox's Sand have surged in value as brands and creators build experiences in the digital world. Investors can buy, rent, or develop virtual land to generate revenue. It's also possible to earn by running a masternode. Masternodes are special servers that support blockchain operations and governance. In return, operators receive rewards, similar to staking. While setting up a masternode requires technical knowledge and a significant investment, the returns can be substantial over time. Crypto education and content creation are yet another income path. As adoption grows, there's increasing demand for tutorials, market analysis, and educational platforms. Content creators who teach others how to trade or invest in crypto often monetize through ads, sponsorships, or paid courses. Let's also talk about stablecoin investing using coins like USDT, USDC, or DAI to earn interest without the risk of volatility. Some DeFi platforms allow users to deposit stablecoins and earn annual yields up to 10% or more. It's one of the safest ways to earn in crypto, especially during bear markets. Finally, we can't ignore crypto taxes and security. Earning from cryptocurrency comes with legal responsibilities. Always keep records of your transactions and understand your region's tax regulations. Use secure hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor to store your assets safely. As you can see, the crypto world offers countless ways to make money, from active trading to passive income streams. But success depends on research, discipline, and risk management. Always start small, learn continuously, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you found this guide valuable, stay tuned for more in-depth explorations of how crypto can change your financial future. Keep learning, stay safe, and remember, knowledge is your best investment in the digital economy. Subscribe for more educational crypto insights that help you make smarter moves in this evolving world of decentralized finance.